How dare you? I come on internet, I come contabo, yeah, cuss people for PMP, for Mark Golding. How dare you? Mark Golding, a stalwart PMP that Karen Cross, stalwart PMP that. You don't know the truth. But you don't think so if you don't run behind this movement, yeah, you not go get something in Mark Golding going to power, if he going to power. You ain't getting shit. Mark Golding not like you Jamaican people if you not from the Tapanaris sector. Or if you not come from the elite class, Mark Golding not like you. Go check the millions of Mark Golding them get in the financial crisis when PJ Patterson run the country. Go check it for yourself. Mark Golding them not like, you know, so when them do Damian Crawford through my Rasta. You know, so when them do Damian Crawford through Damian Crawford never fit. The quote unquote profile to be a leader of the country. You know, see that they set up Damian Crawford and record him and release it. We never see that. And Damian Crawford right now, if he does, every time Damian Crawford do something, and the people them reject it, none of them not come out come support him. And you don't know me rate Damian Crawford. I'm a G. I'm a teacher. From what they may not learn nothing from him still because I can't manage him from what he. But I'm a G. There you have it. I'm a PMP general that. You see? Like on Nesta, I'm a G. You know, see Mark Golding them, when Mark Golding them I run for the thing, to be party president, you know, see when they do Damian Crawford. You think that just something that will just happen coincidentally? You think it just happen so? Eh? The phone. Now that I know 1, 2, 3. Me not dieted nothing, whatever who you are. Me not dieted nothing, brethren. Because if Jamaica Labour Party, if me find sitting with Andrew Holness a protest against the government where I try to help poor people, we don't know so me not support that. You see? The little fool thing when I run with that try to bring down Andrew Holness, that a foolishness about 28 bank book, I rubbish that. Integrity Commission compromised because no unfinished report not supposed to go in a parliament to get tabled. Because the Integrity Commission them have MOU, they can't get anybody them choose, anybody them wish to, anybody they want to. Help them with an investigation, they have the power to do that, they have the authority to do that. But because they want to run the parliament with an unfinished report, so the PMP them can take pieces out and run around and try to bring down Andrew Holness. When I hear that, why was an unfinished report sent to Parliament? When the Integrity Commission, they have the MOU for FID and TAJ. Why I know the Jamaican people them can't see the 30 million report them pay for from the forensic, from overseas? Why them take it out of the report them send go parliament? You know idiot? We not see a character assassination them bring up on the Prime Minister. When wake up black people, I want to know. Wake up. The white man when I like poor people. Are them strategy to win the next election? Make you think say Andrew Holness a rabuno. And then can point out to $1 when take out of the public purse. Not $1. Ask yourself the question. Where the $30 million report there? Where them pay foreign forensic to investigate the Prime Minister? Where that there? Why we not get to see that? Why we going into an election and we can't see that report there? You know why you can't see that report there? And you will see that report when the case starts in a court. And his lawyers then petition the report. Because them have to present it. You will learn some things when this case here I go forward. Mark Golding and the PMP will not see back government for what they do to Andrew Holness for the next 12 or 15 or 30 or 40 years. This is going to be the death of the PMP. Them have to go form a new party. Mark Golding is playing a game with the People's National Party where he already started with the risers and divide the party in two. The game where them are playing now, it goes. You think Jamaican people are going to forgive you? When them report ya, start reading the parliament, and when them petition, the letter that was sent to the IC the other day by a man named Swaby, and ask the IC how comes them to respond to the letter. When them petition, if the investigator, yeah, when them we step down, we resign, where did I investigate Andrew Holness and tell them, say according to the letter, the investigator told them that they were breaching Andrew Holness's right. And that woman, they resigned according to reports. Because them never take no talk from her. When them ask them thing they in a court, what them are going to do? When them ask Kevin Stevenson in a court why him said the Prime Minister breached the town building code or act, what them are going to tell the court say? Because him lawyer must bring up them things that to show that they attacking the Prime Minister's character. What them are going to do? When the court subpoena them things there. You think say Andrew Holness I use someone look a fool liar. You know, so when you idiot them ask and them want schedule expenses, the liar step in and say, I won't do ya, sir. I won't do. But them want schedule expenses. Schedule expenses if you say buy a bag juice down the road and he buy 3 patty. And him go around say and him give some people $100,000. And when him write down that and him never remember say the 50,000 him give them. And the people them say 100,000, them say, oh, see we caught him lying. It's 100,000 him. The Canterbury what day. And when the man stop and buy food, about 30 people they eat food, you think they are free? You think say he ride them member all of the money there, everybody will eat, everybody will drink? Nah, idiot man. Capone say boat money and no roads in Jamaica. You don't live in Jamaica, brother, so you attack. Because if you don't live in Jamaica, you not say no roads in Jamaica. You're dopey. You're dopey, brother. Boat money. Well, let me show you boat money. See boat money here? Let me show you boat money. Let me show you boat money. See boat money here? See there? See both money there. See both money there. Where you live? Where you live? You live at Jamaica and see say road them a fix up? Uno never ever yet in our lifetime see so much money I spent on road at Jamaica. Uno too damn ungrateful and wicked. No for uno had dirt track and now Nesta up there. I go on the road. Tap be ungrateful. Who never see PMP government I invest 40 billion in a road one time or 45 billion one time in a road infrastructure, and reach program, and maintenance. Uno so damn ungrateful. Uno too ungrateful. God will send storm and hurricane come mash up back the road we fix. Uno too damn ungrateful. That me can't be a politician, people. Then I go give me no vote. Then I go vote for me, people. No take me mind out of no bother that something there. No bother that something there. The government I invest so much billions in a road at Jamaica when I talk about no road not there Jamaica. We never hear PMP say patrol free by 2003. When did they get patrol free? When they get patrol free? The whole of my BMW front end lick out every time I drive to a country. When I chat about, when I went man I eat that like man if I used to travel the road. Man used to traverse the whole of Jamaica them time the virgin. I be a patrol used to bust up my tire them. When I say everywhere fix up, but when I expect everywhere to fix up one time. Furthermore, some live at some place where a parish council will fix on the road. You think a central government responds for the road? A local government will fix on the road. And some live at some place where private people who own the road them. Now go no sense. Go check on this park website if your road is on it. And if your road is not on it, then you think your road should be fixed by the central government. Link up your MP. And come off of the damn internet to chat cree. Link up your MP. Beat you know. God I go beat you know. Una go suffer. Remember me telling you that. I want the hardest working MP. We destroy the beast. Beauty and the beast. And she work non-stop. We see her walk. I fix the road. I'm going to blind. And I make politics close in the judgment. 5 minutes to go, people. Let us get up to 150 pan the likes. Now come a chat about no road near there Jamaica. We ask the people in the constituency if we know on the program, the Spark program. We ask the people in the constituency if are the local government for fixing the road or the central government. We ask them question there. Some of them vote for PMP how much years now, how much centuries now. How much decade now, excuse me. Especially down at Westmoreland. How the place stand bad to the point where PMP come chat say, then go places and see say who live like dog. And I miss so, a PMP see so. It made it see so under cost me. So at the end of the day, gentle people, Mark Golding is a traitor. He demonstrated against poor people from getting better living condition. Mark Golding is a traitor. Because I don't want poor people to live nowhere near to the Tapanaris them. Because according to the protesters and according to the Gleaner, Mark Golding, his mother, and some Tapanaris, or elite class people, thought that you were going to come destroy the environment, drive down the value of their properties. You see? And make them unsafe. That is what you call, according to Colin Bell, the man where Traffic Gora Mossy did give some donation for over 30 million, according to the reports. And my inference, where they make the convicted drug dealer run down at the Portland seat instead of him, because Mark Golding no rate him. He said Mark Golding was prejudiced against PMP from Mona Commons. You can't go around that. Everything is where you talk, everything is where you say. Useless. Mark Golding a snake. That's why he can't keep his tongue in his head. Him a snake. Look again. If his tongue can't turn in his head. He's very venomous. He knows nothing about what we went through as a people through political warfare. That's why him so nonchalant. We're talking about the junglist them having back and then give him a strength. So junglist supposed to come put them life on the line to protect this a snake here. You will say a comrade and a talk about one Mark Golding. You fi put your life on the line fi go fight with labor right. For a snake, we fight against your own brother and sisters and we are living in deplorable conditions. Are you stupid? Justar, you should not name Justar, you should not talk about not name Jap on your name. You should have named Satan Star, but one Mark Golding. Mark Golding legacy is the chain round snow, round big stone neck. And that a Mark Golding legacy as a big PMP liar would have say, idiot, idiot, you know no sense, idiot, idiot. And that a big top PMP liar say, idiot. You come out about your name Justone. You have a name Devil Stone, what your name Justar. A Devil Star you have a name. Or you get Jah in front of your name. Jah your backside. You know say a traitor. But one Mark Golding. A name Justar. Eh? Mark Golding a demon.
With the help of Zero's small...
Make a fix your business before I left here tonight. So you sleep with this on your mind, your conscience. Go sleep with this by your conscience. About one Mark Golding. One Mark Golding. You fool. Go sleep with this by your conscience. Hey, your conscience. See Rastaman there. See the Rastaman there. Go sleep with that with your conscience. Go sleep with that with your conscience. See white man they come to save a black man. Yeah, the white man we are slave master, Pitney. Go sleep with that by your conscience, but your name Justar. Go sleep with that. That a Mark Golding legacy. See Mark Golding legacy there. You can't go around that. Try all you may. You will never ever go around that. That a Mark Golding legacy. See it there. You happy now? See it there. See it there. See it there. And that if it chat bow. See it there. Freedom! 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 See your legacy there. Go out of here. Put that in your pipe and smoke it. You fucking traitor. Boy, you need just star. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this white man making a mockery of our ancestors. Look at this. Look here. Look here. Look at this man's face. Eh? This oppressor's blood a run through his body. The euphoric experience that he's having through this. The dopamine that he's producing. Look at this joy. Look at this fucking joy. Mocking your ancestors. Look at that. Come on for my life too. You traitor. Boy, you need just star. Capone, no man when name just star. We support this can't come for my life. So if you change your name from Capone to Japone, all you will get cussed out too. Because you feel know better as a Rasta man. Or as a Jam man. Yes. You must know better as anybody will cuss. The only reason why you not get cussed out Capone are through your name Capone. This is Mark Golding's legacy. Mark Golding's legacy is blocking 700 people from Mona Commons from getting better living condition. That is his legacy. Yeah, Capone. Me not have no problem if you're fool, you know. Because one time I did fool too. Me not have no problem. You name Capone and you're fool, you get a pass, brother. Because your argument about me don't want people choose who they want to choose. Me 100% sure say when the slave master them that choose, we slave them want grape, we slave them want buy, we slave them want carry on them plantation. They were choosing too. Because it was legal. So now because you have choice, that means that you have to accept your choice, brother. Have some sense, bro. Me not have to accept your choice, bro. Your choice say you want to be shaky like Gabriel and them. Me not have to accept Gabriel's choice. Because man fi be man, especially in this time when we out fi have revolution all over the world. Man fi be man. We not accept no emasculated man. Because man fi be man. So when revolution start, the sisters them get protection and the children them. So if you accept that too. But if you accept your party, I send out anniversary shout out to Gabriel and them. And then you not talk about Andrew on the sign deal. If you accept that too. Me not have to accept it, brother. So me not accept no man who say them name Ja. I support a man who have chain round black man neck. What wrong with that? Me not tell us you not go vote for who you want to vote for, brother. You think me can go in a voting booth, go tell us, say, put your finger, yes sir, put your finger over there, so. Me not no control over that, but you know me have control over. Me have control of you the my life as a man when named Ja. I talk about one Mark Golding when him have a chain around a black man neck. That me have control over if you tell you if you go. Me have control over that. Me ask about say me no respect him man choice. Me not have respect with choice. Respect with choice. Eh? Respect a man who say me deal with Ja. I support the white man and put chain around her, take off chain around the black man neck. And black man I go so. You idiot, brother. Animal did they smile and enjoy it. Look how man enjoy the mockery of your ancestors. You idiot, brother. Wake up and tap one like you're a fool, brother. Wake up and tap one like idiot. Idiot. As the big look, idiot, look the idiot. Idiot. Look. Idiot. According to the big PMP liar. Idiot. See man, I enjoy the suffering the ancestors them. I best thing about to him. He get to really lived. Him oppressors, ancestors, atrocities when they carry on black people. What you think was a coincidence in go up and Mona come and tap him one of the people them near them? Because people are going to make them environment messed up and destroy them environment and bring down them land. That's how people were prejudiced against poor people. As some people were prejudiced against poor people talk. I know this man I can't apologize for this because man I enjoy it. The man I enjoy it. You're ashamed to talk about your support Mark Golding as a black man. Man, disgusting. Cut a ear. Inspired, you make politics and religion, make people hate you. Them a business? Listen me. Whether I stick to music alone, or I'm going to politics, or whatever, I can't do more than the amount of time I do on the earth. Yeah. Cockatoo just gone, what do you know? How much song him sing, boy? Yeah? How much I still talk about him? How much I remember say Cockatoo was one of the bad artists, them boy? Eh? Tootsie Bert gone. How much I still talk about Tootsie Bert? Gregory Isaac gone. How much I still talk about Gregory Isaac? John Holt gone. How much I still talk about John Holt? Allow me talk about politics or whatever I want to talk about. Spend your time on earth how you want to spend your time. Top watch me clock. Watch your clock be. The whole we get a certain time. We have a certain amount of breath where we take. We have a certain amount of blink where we get. We have a certain amount of years where we get. A certain amount of cells where we produce. Top watch me clock. Good? When I go sing and make another hit song, yes or no? Wait a change. Wait a go change for you. You go just get a next song we like. And me alone can give you a song we like. You know other people can give you a song we like too. And me to benefit Because I'm going to make more money. And the people who really love music, I get one nice song to dance to and sing to. So what I do can't help people. If me I help you, if I tell you, say, do not turn back, because Mark Golding is a snake. How music better than that? If me I educate you, say this man you demonstrated against poor people from getting better living condition. How music better than that? Explain that to me. How music better than educating my brother and sister them said, do not make a mistake and choose the man because the man you don't like you know. How is music better than that? Michael Jackson still there sing? He no gone. Whitney Houston still there sing? She no gone. How is it music better than when me I do? Because me go and make beer hit song, me I go make enough money, me I make whole pa money. So it will more benefit me. If you want music to go dance to and sing to and jump up to other artists out there, so why you not go look music from them? Why you do on a page when you in politics and religion? Why you doing on that page? Why you do on a page? You know why you're here? Because you know say a true me attack. You know why you're talking about go do music? You know why you're talking about leave politics alone? Because you know a true me attack and you don't want the people who must hear the message. Because you think say you're going to get something if Mark Golding win. And that's a problem. Because you can't say what me say a lie. There is nothing when me point out since night where you can contest. So the only way for you to stop me from talking is to think that me must only stick to music. When more music, me know say someone want grateful, you know. But you know, believe say me grateful for what me achieve out of music. You know, believe say me at a point to me not force music. Because music already done so much for me. You know, believe say me can make a better contribution to society than just a good music. You don't believe that? Well, here is my contribution. Me they have to tell you say Mark Golding put chain round the black man neck or take off chain round the black man neck and laugh in our face when he do it. My ancestors them means more to me than entertaining you with music. Because if I never my ancestors them, me couldn't even get like a punani without having to go beg massa. If I never my ancestors them, massa would have just take anyone away as man and buck break. We in front of the people them because we are too strong and I stand up to any form of resistance, any form of oppression. If I never we ancestors and master that just come put wood pa unu when him feel like. If I never we ancestors and we stand up to oppressors, maybe to this day we are still a work on plantation, I build them society, I build them economy. How fucking dare you? You think so me can repay the people them where give me a chance to make money in a life through music, with just music? Me have to have a contribution to the people them. And the people of Jamaica, them give me the start. Mark Golding a run, we gonna foreign, gonna go to school, according to him, when we have tribal war. And come back and now boy want come run the same country. Mark Golding a coward. Him father grew him like a little girl. He run. I want to know. You know, say a protected pitney this. You know, say we have the African blood in our way. You think so we can get rid of the African blood? You think I saw you go? You know, say we have a zeal. Come and talk about your name, Ja. And I support man with a chain run man make a smile. I want to know. Go away. This if you look pan. And don't come argue with me and tell me nothing about no music. And that a mad no nastiness you somebody when name inspired. Andrew apartment them have because we don't know business and Mark Golden rich. And taking money go put in a foreign trust. But no bad mind. And ready eye. I say man have apartment. Wife and Jonas have apartment. Wife have apartment. Why problem? Him did he have nothing? After 28 years in the politics? Him did he have nothing? PJ Patterson are rich. Eh? Patterson are rich. Patterson did born in the riches. Portia Simpson did born in the riches. Low Andrew Holness and him apartment them and go nyam shit. Uno too bad mind. Uno too ready against you know one black people. Uno too tribal against you know one black people. This you know if you have a problem with this. No apartment where poor man can have apartment. See man they enjoy it. He might produce dopamine. See suck tongue there. I enjoy it. I'm best moment this thing ever had. That you talk about and talk about apartment and on damn shit. This is how your ancestors them go through. This is how your ancestors them go through in a real life. This is how they go through in a real life. This same way so. When you too damn bad mind already against your own people. And the white man will laugh after reenact slavery. For score political points on a run back. That's why when I reach nowhere. As a people, brethren. Yeah, come Tembo and Jonas have apartment so what happened to that? What do you mean when I talk about Mark and Jonas pitney them have land? So what happened to that? Mark Golden pitney them name in a company where have a foreign. Why not question that? Why not question the white man when get him riches from? Eh? Or him get it from him born with riches? Or him born with riches? Him father no come to Jamaica on the queen ship. And say I'm a surgeon. When get riches from? When father get riches from? Peter Bunting and partner, the black man that. Where Bunting get him riches from? Him born in the riches too? One not question how Peter Bunting rich. And him a black man. But we not question how Andrew Holness rich. And I guarantee you say them money enough for the Andrew Holness money. I guarantee you say PJ money enough for the Andrew Holness money. A bad mind thing that be. Already I think that. Now that way the white man planting on the system. If you make one think say. The black man is supposed to have nothing, you know. If the black man have anything, a thief him, thief it. Or a bad thing, go fuck feet. Excuse my language. And that the white man a try to teach you, know. Say black people no have nothing, you know. You know, say anytime black man start find a way and start make some money, then send money go for them. You know, so when they do to Shannon Sharp, they just send a little, they just find out, say, oh, you like white snow. You like the snow bunnies them. And they just send a little snow bunnies. 100 million gone. One go. Boom. Set trap for him. Fi say, him a choke her. 100 million gone, one go. What a year? Only the one who want to left politics and pick them poor and hungry. Eh? Then me that be Prime Minister of Jamaica, am I picking them hungry? Am I picking them to have land? You're not an idiot, man. You're not dumpy. You see, I become in a situation to be Prime Minister of Jamaica like Andrew Holness, you know. Because if we never turn Prime Minister of Jamaica, no for one dog shit we are chatting, you know. Una moving everybody from every ghetto in a garden house. Up at Jamaica house to the full of, they like guess some money they smoke out some weed at daytime. Oh go on, you come check the boss. Give me a minute, let me go check him if he wake up. Hold on there. Chopper! Check if the boss wake up there. Juba, come check him. Boy! I become one in a position of Prime Minister, you know. When I go watch him man apartment, go man have apartment. What? And you only did in the position where Andrew Holness in a. Uno send for everybody. For pull up down a Jamaica house. And every day when Parliament keep a be a stall in the outer door, because we are ghetto people and we love people. So I not say it in a bad way. We are ghetto people and we love people. Every stall, jerk chicken, and cat man, everything in the outer Jamaica house at the time. Out of Parliament gate. You come out of Parliament, you get curry goat and rice and peas and soup and everything. But the black man, him no fi have nothing. The black man no fi have nothing. Ambition you don't have, man. You don't have no ambition. Man carry in politics for 28 years and have nothing, virgin. Then what am I doing in politics? Lee Davis. Suck your mother, Clout, here look drunk out. Damn. Hold on, Lee. Hold on there. Before I give you marching orders. Hold on there, Lee. Hold on there, Lee. See what look Clout here? This is what Clout looks like. Excuse me. This is what Clout looks like. This is what Clout looks like. This is who you have to tell about him mother. And this is who you have to call drunkro. Where I laugh at the atrocities where your ancestors them go through. And this is Madia. You have to show that at. This is what you need to go sleep on. Lee, you sound like one old woman, because my body no name Lee again. When you go to bed tonight, sleep on this. These are the person where you need to show that at. Take a good look. Let it soak in your system. A white man laughing, enjoying what happened to your ancestors in slavery. This is who you must send suck your mother to. This is who you have to call drunkro. Because at the end of it, Lee. Lee. When you lie. Oh, you lie. My bad. You lie. You lie. Lulu lie. This, nobody not tell her about her mother, please. Kim, do not tell her about her mother. Okay? You la lie. You see? This is who you fi tell fi suck them mother. I am your brother. I'm just here to educate you that this smiling face, British man, this British man blocked 700 Mona Common citizens from a PMP constituency to get proper housing. That is the conversation. You see? So your rhetoric and your disrespect. If you tell me about my mother, I just see you as ignorant. You're just fool. Me no feel upset. I'm not mad at you. As a matter of fact, me love you more. Because many people, when them get special needs pitney, them cling to the special needs pitney more. If you have a pitney and the pitney slow, you tend to love that child more. Because you know that child needs special care. I don't hate your sister. If you're a sister, because you would have you lie and use a man name. Because I never hear the name yet. I don't hate your sister. Just like how I don't hate Caution, I don't hate Diego, I don't hate Ingram, I don't hate you, Rich. That's why I go talk to them at daytime. I don't hate them. Richard St. Auburn them. I don't hate them. Vice of them are my brother. You will never ever, as long as you live, see me and them a throw fists and is me instigated. Never in this life. Them are just my brother, well lost. Because no real black man who is not a sissy, I go see a white man and laugh at the expense of our ancestors' atrocities that was committed against them, and find any rationale to support this. This a devil. This a Satan. This is a man where laugh at your ancestors' suffering. And we know say it's not just a moment. Because we have the evidence here, according to the Jamaica Gleaner and the protesters who were on site when they protested against poor people from getting proper housing. Mark Golding was one of those protesters with his mother, his white mother. Just imagine two white people, two white persons from a foreign country, British state, will oppress black people. Imagine him and his mother protested against poor people where the British exploited all of the resources from this land and left us into poverty after they paid slave owners 20 million pounds in cash and 20 million pounds in apprenticeship. And this man and his white mother come protest against black people where the British left in a poverty. That you need to tell go suck it, mother. I'm not your enemy. Me and no enemy PMP people. Me just a remind you. Me just a enlighten you. Say this ya, mania, Mark Golding a snake. The British citizens, when them parents were slave owners, came to our land and protested against the government, PJ Patterson government, from relocating poor people to a place where them could have better living condition. And that you need to talk about. That now go nowhere, sister and brother. You could have talked till God come. That can't rub out. Tanya Stevens and Queen Africa, them and all of the artists, them Buju Banton, them and all of them Popcorn, them and all of them will support PMP. And my brother, them just ignorant to the truth. And nobody no really take the time out. If you sit with Buju Banton and say, Buju, that man you support with a chain around big stone neck. Sit that one you out, Gargamel. Because we don't have no problem with your support, doctor. But our brother them same way. We don't have no problem with your support PNP. But that man you a snake. That man you not like black people, poor black people. You know, hear him talk to poor people. You not see him treat you. You not see him say him renounce citizenship after you not beg him. And the man say, I have to really think about it, you know, because my father give me that thing, you know, and my father is the one who, you not see that? You not hear that? You not see that? You know want more? Then they have more today. Go and find the article from the Jamaica Gleaner. Go find it. Go ask Colin Bell why he called Mark Golding movement against the poor people at that time prejudice. Go ask Colin Bell. Colin Bell, if somebody have a number for Colin Bell, tell him say me wa ask him how can he support Mark Golding after this. Because him was the minister. Him was the MP. But I saw it go. Some man have no balls. Some man castrated. They have no balls. You see? But for we seed bag, them still hang down and a swing. Blow. 7 picnic come out tight. Boy. Real man. Real ancestor blood in a way. You see? Some man have no balls. I just one of them thing there. You see? Okay? So me know your enemy. You see? Me know your enemy. There's somebody say Colin Bell. No man, Colin Campbell was the MP. Colin Campbell. Me no know if I him I see him. Colin Campbell are the MP where the me no know if I him in a traffic or sit. Now him I see him somebody. Hold on, let me check. Because we don't want to make no mistake, you know. Colin Campbell or Colin Bell name. Colin Campbell was the MP that time there. So let's look for Colin Campbell MP. PMP, MP. Colin Campbell. Colin Campbell is a former Minister of State in the affairs of local government. So this here is saying, Colin Campbell testifies in Trafigura case. On Wednesday, Mr. Campbell testified that SW Service Team Jamaica was one of the several bank accounts. So this was the member of parliament at the time. So he may attack. Did I say Bell? If I say Bell, my bad. Okay? So I gave Trafigura account details for transfer Campbell. So this I think is, this is the Campbell. So Mr. Bell, my apology. Former People's National Party PNP General Secretary Colin Campbell has admitted that he was the person who gave Trafigura and Bahir an account number for the entity through which a controversial 31 million payment was funneled. An account number for the... All right? So we good? So I don't know if I see him, I see him too brushy one that I don't know. I don't know if I him. But I want them. All right? Big up on yourself. Have a great night. Peace out.